welcome you all in this series lecture for multiple integral. In the last lecture, we have understood what is triple integration and how to solve a triple integration. That we are going to continue in this lecture also. So let me write down the first question of today's lecture. Evaluate integral -1 to 1 dz integral 0 to z dx integral x minus z x plus z x plus y plus z dy. Now in this specific integration, they have already distributed the integrated variable, so we should not work upon how to distribute this particular integrated variable. We just need to solve it as what they have given. So let I is equal to, definitely order by order, I mean in the ordered form. So integration -1 to 1 dz integration 0 to z dx, and there we have like integration x minus z to x plus z x plus y plus z dy. So definitely we should like first deal with the inner integral, which is this particular expression. So हम पहले उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. So -1 to 1 dz integration 0 to z dx. Okay, so what is integration of x plus y plus z with respect to dy? Yes, exactly. So it means that if we are doing with respect to y, so x and z is constant, so we can keep as it is. So it's just like the integration of something like x plus a. If you remember the integration of x plus a, you can deal with it easily. So like it is x plus y plus z 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That's integration of x raised to n, and here we have limit from x minus z to x plus z. It's very simple, like how I have taken the integral like this. Like here we have the integrate variable is y, so for that particular one x and z is constant. Now if it is constant, so we just need to take the integration of y. So we know what is the integration of y. It depends on the formula, that integration of x raised to n. So the same what I have did here. Now we need to substitute upper limit as x plus z and y and lower limit as x minus z for the variable y, and we can pull out this particular 2 from the entire integrals. So -1 to 1 dz 0 to z dx. Now let us substitute the upper limit. So at the place of y, so we have like x plus z, so it is around 2x plus 2z, isn't it, square. Now for the lower integral, at the place of y, we need to substitute x minus z. So x plus x minus z plus z can cancel. So there we have there we have 2x square, isn't it? And this would be considered under dx. Isn't it? So now this is 1 upon 2 -1 to 1 dz integral 0 to z. So this is around 2x plus 2z. If let me pull out 2 from here, or yeah, no use of it. Let it be like 2x plus 2z square minus 4x square, then the integral dx. Let us go for this integration. Half integration -1 to 1 dz, that we're supposed to write at the end for this particular step. Now what about this integration? So this integral would be like 2x plus 2z raised to 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3, and that 3 would multiply the coefficient of x, which is 2, isn't it? Minus 4 as it is, x raised to 3 by 3, simple, from 0 to z, and here we have dz. इंटीग्रेशन में मैंने कुछ नहीं करा है, जस्ट मैंने इसमें लाइक विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करा है तो z हमारा कांस्टेंट होगा, कांस्टेंट होने की वजह से उसका कुछ रोल उसमें एज अ नंबर जैसा डील होगा. सो वी आर जस्ट लाइक एडजस्टिंग इन दी लाइक द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2x. सो लाइक द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2x लाइक 2x का लाइक 2x raised to n, something like 2x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and we should divide with the coefficient of x, what I did here. और यहाँ पे मैंने उसको बाहर निकाल के इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर खाली किया. So it is like half minus 1 to 1 2x plus 2z raised to 3 divided by 6 minus 4 x raised to 3 by 3 from 0 to z and dz. So let us substitute upper limit first. So it is like half minus 1 to 1, substitute the upper limit, 2z plus 2z, so it's around 4z cube divided by 6 minus 4z cube divided by 3, and for the lower limit we have around this particular x would be 0, so 0 plus 2z divided by 6 cube, and here we have 0, isn't it? Upper limit minus lower limit, and overall we have, let me write it in the proper way. So when I have substituted the lower limit at the place of x, so that 2x will become 0, we have 2z by 6 square minus 0 in the big bracket, that's upper limit minus lower limit, and here we have dz. 2z raised to 3, right? Upper limit minus lower limit. Now this is correct. Now it is half integral minus 1 to 1 4 cube z cube divided by 6 minus 4 z cube divided by 3 minus 2 cube z cube divided by 6, and the integration. So there we have around half. Okay, so 4 cube by 6, I can pull out the integral. We have z cube ka integration, which is like z raised to 4 by 4 from minus 1 to 1, minus 4 by 3 we can pull out the integration of z raised to 3, which is around z raised to 4 by 4 from minus 1 to 1, minus 2 raised to 3 by 6 z raised to 4 by 4. If you wish you can go for its solution, otherwise yeah. So let us solve this integral first. So it's around half 4 raised to 3 by 6. Upper limit we have around 1, so z raised to 4 is 1 divided by 4 minus lower limit. Now this is power even, so again this would become 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon 3. Here also we have same like z raised to 4 at the place upper limit is 1, so 1 by 4 minus lower limit minus 1. We are substituting in the form of z raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4 is again 1, so 1 upon 4. Similarly this would be for the last one, z raised to 3 by 6, 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So this is around 1 upon 2, 4 raised to 3 by 6 into 0 minus 4 by 3 into 0 minus is 2 raised to 3 by 6 into 0. So altogether our answer is half into 0, so it is 0. So therefore the integration is 0. Therefore I is equal to 0. So I hope you understood how I have solved this particular integral. In this particular problem they have already given what should be the order, so I just went on solving just by the basic concepts of integration. So thank you so much to all being here for this lecture. Stay safe and yeah.